and today I'm sharing 5 genius travel hacks that will change the way you see the world. We're talking about smart travel, saving money, time, and stress. These are real, tried and tested secrets from my journeys, not just Google tips. From packing like a pro to finding the best local food, I've got you covered. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end. It's a game changer. Grab your notepad or save this video, because you'll want to remember these. Let's dive in and make your next trip unforgettable. Let's start with the foundation of any trip, packing. It's the first step to a smooth, stress-free adventure, and it sets the tone for your entire journey. The secret isn't a bigger bag, it's packing smarter. When you pack with intention, you'll be amazed at how much you can fit into even the smallest suitcase. Every item should serve at least 2 purposes. This is the golden rule for efficient travel. Multi-use items save space, lighten your load, and make life on the road so much easier. For clothes, pack 2 neutral shirts you can dress up or down, not 5 fancy ones. Neutrals mix and match effortlessly, giving you more outfit options with fewer pieces. Create a capsule wardrobe, less stress, more space. A few well-chosen basics can be styled in countless ways, so you're always prepared, whether it's a casual day out or a special dinner. For events, like a wedding in Abuja, style one traditional outfit in different ways for each occasion. Swap accessories, add a jacket, or change your shoes to create a fresh look every time. Your smartphone is your camera, map, and entertainment. Ditch extra gadgets. It's your all-in-one travel companion, so you can leave the heavy tech at home. Use a universal travel adapter with multiple USB ports to charge everything at once. No more fighting for outlets or carrying a tangle of chargers. Limit shoes to 3 pairs. Comfy sneakers, smart evening shoes, and flip-flops. That's all you need for almost any trip, and it frees up tons of space. Choose neutral colors to match all outfits. This way every top goes with every bottom, and you'll never waste time deciding what to wear. Switch to travel-sized or solid toiletries. No spills, no airport hassle. Solid shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, and mini deodorants are game changers for carry-on travel. A sarong or large scarf is a must. Beach cover-up, blanket, head wrap, or towel. It's the ultimate travel hack, taking up almost no space but offering endless uses. Travel light and skip-checked bags save money and breeze through airports. You'll never have to wait at baggage claim or worry about lost luggage. Unpacking is quick and you're ready for adventure. With less to organize, you can hit the ground running and make the most of every moment. Before packing, ask, can I use this for more than one thing? If it's single use, it probably doesn't deserve a spot in your bag. If not, leave it behind. Prioritize items that earn their place by being truly useful. Pack for the traveler you want to be, relaxed, resourceful, and ready for anything. When you're not weighed down by stuff, you're free to enjoy every experience. Smart packing isn't deprivation, it's freedom. Less stuff, more experiences. You'll discover how little you actually need to feel comfortable and confident on the road. You'll move faster, feel lighter, and enjoy your trip more. Every step becomes easier, and you'll have more energy for the things that matter. Trust me, you'll never go back to overpacking. Once you experience the ease of traveling light, it's hard to imagine doing it any other way. Try it on your next trip and thank me later. You'll wonder why you ever packed any other way. Efficiency and versatility are your new travel best friends. Make every item count, and you'll always be prepared for whatever comes your way. That's the power of packing smart. Travel lighter, travel better, and open yourself up to more adventure. Hack number 2. Use your smartphone to live like a local. For transport, download the top ride-hailing app before you land. Bolt, Uber, Yango, whatever's local. Set up your profile and link your card at home. Skip airport taxi chaos and inflated prices. Get a fixed rate and a safer ride. Use the app for all your daily movements. No haggling, no confusion. For food, check out local delivery apps. Jumia Food, Glovo, Uber Eats, or whatever's popular. Use them as directories to find the best rated local spots, not just for delivery. Discover hidden gems and avoid tourist traps. Read reviews, check menus, and see what locals love. If you're tired, order authentic food straight to your room. Look for public transport apps to navigate metros or buses. Download the dominant messaging app to connect with locals or guides. Do a little digital prep before you travel. Download, set up, and explore the apps. You'll move around confidently, eat better, and save money. Technology is your travel superpower. Don't just visit. Experience the city like a local. You'll unlock a smoother, safer, and tastier adventure. No more getting lost or overpaying. Your phone is your best travel companion. Use it wisely and travel smarter. Local apps equals sign local experience. Make them part of your pre-trip checklist. You'll thank yourself later. Let's talk money. How you exchange it can make or break your budget. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or heading out for your very first trip, understanding the ins and outs of currency exchange is essential for making your money go further. Rule 1. Never exchange cash at the airport. The rates are almost always terrible and you'll lose a chunk of your travel fund before you even start exploring. Instead, use local ATMs for the best rates, which are usually close to the official interbank rate. ATMs are widely available in most countries and offer a convenient way to access local currency. When the ATM asks, always choose to be charged in the local currency, not your home currency. This simple choice can save you a surprising amount on every withdrawal. Dynamic currency conversion is a rip-off. Avoid it at all costs. It may look convenient, but it comes with hidden fees and poor exchange rates. Before you travel, tell your bank you're going abroad to avoid unexpected card blocks or declined transactions. A quick call or app notification can save you a lot of hassle. Ask your bank about foreign transaction fees. Making fewer, larger withdrawals can help you minimize those pesky charges and keep more of your money for your adventures. Consider getting a travel-friendly card with zero foreign fees. These cards are designed for globetrotters and can save you a lot over the course of your trip. Try multi-currency apps like Wise or Revolut. You can load money, exchange at great rates, and spend like a local, often with just a tap on your phone. Always carry a small amount of local cash for emergencies, but use cards for most purchases. Cards are safer, easier to track, and widely accepted in most destinations. Don't carry large amounts of cash. It's risky and makes you a target for theft or loss. Keep it simple and secure. When paying by card, always choose the local currency. This ensures you get the best possible rate and avoid sneaky conversion fees. These small choices add up and can save you real money over the course of your trip. Recap: avoid airport exchanges, use ATMs, always choose local currency, inform your bank, and use multi-currency cards or apps for the best deals. Be financially savvy. Keep more for experiences, not fees. The less you spend on unnecessary charges, the more you have for memories. Don't let banks or bureaus eat your holiday fund. Every bit you save counts toward your next adventure. A little planning goes a long way. Just a few minutes of research before your trip can make a huge difference. Master currency exchange and travel with confidence. You'll feel more in control and ready for anything. Your money should work for you, not against you. Spend smart, enjoy more, and make every trip count. Every saved naira or dollar is another adventure waiting to happen. Small savings add up to big opportunities. Make this your new travel habit. You'll notice the difference on every trip. Be prepared, be smart, and travel better. That's how you win at Travel Money. By planning ahead, making smart choices, and enjoying every moment abroad. Hack 4. Travel off-peak and save big. Every destination has a high, low, and shoulder season. Skip the crowds and high prices. Aim for the shoulder or low season. You'll get great weather, fewer tourists, and better deals. Example: Zanzibar's shoulder season in November or March. Beautiful, quiet, and affordable. Enjoy empty beaches, no lines, and a relaxed vibe. Locals have more time for you, and the experience feels authentic. This works worldwide. Europe in May, June, or September is perfect. Flights and hotels are cheaper and cities are more enjoyable. Even flying midweek or at odd hours can save you money. Use Google Flights or Skyscanner's calendar view to spot the cheapest days. Flexibility with dates pays off, sometimes hundreds in savings. Don't just search for a date. Search for the cheapest month. Less stress, more immersion, and better memories. Off-peak travel means deeper connections and unique experiences. Imagine famous sites without the crowds. Plan ahead, research seasons, and be flexible. Avoid the tourist rush. Travel when others don't. You'll get more value and a richer adventure. This mindset shift is a game changer. Try it once and you'll never go back. The final hack: connect with locals for real, unforgettable experiences. It's the difference between just visiting a place and truly living it, even if only for a short while. The true soul of a place is its people. Landscapes and monuments are beautiful, but it's the people who give a destination its heartbeat and character. Shift your mindset. Remember, you're a guest, not just a tourist. Approach every interaction with respect and genuine curiosity. Learn a few local phrases. Hello, thank you, please. Even a simple attempt at the language shows you care and opens up so many doors. A smile and a greeting open doors everywhere. It's a universal language that breaks down barriers instantly. Take a local cooking class. Learn, laugh, and share stories. Food is a powerful connector, and sharing a meal is sharing a piece of culture. Use social media to find local creators or bloggers. Ask for recommendations. They'll point you to hidden gems and authentic experiences you'd never find in a guidebook. Hire an independent local guide for a day. Skip the big tour buses. Local guides share their personal stories and favorite spots, making your visit unique. They'll show you hidden gems and share personal stories. These insights can change the way you see a city or village. Engage with market vendors. Ask about their craft, compliment their work. You'll learn about traditions and support local livelihoods. Stay in locally owned guest houses or Airbnbs for a personal touch. These places often come with stories and connections you won't find in big hotels. Your host can be your best source for tips and hidden spots. They know the area inside out and love to share their favorite places. Break out of the tourist bubble. Talk to people, ask for directions, share a story. These small moments can lead to unexpected adventures. These small connections become your best travel memories. The laughter, the shared meals, the inside jokes, they're what you'll cherish most. You'll remember the kindness, not just the sights. The warmth of a genuine welcome stays with you long after you've left. Hospitality is universal. People love to share their home with curious visitors. Accepting an invitation can lead to unforgettable experiences. Be brave, be open, and listen. Every person you meet has a story that can teach you something new about the world. The magic of travel is in these moments. It's about feeling at home in a place that once felt foreign. Make connecting with locals your top priority. It's the surest way to create memories that last a lifetime. Step outside your comfort zone. Say yes to new experiences, even if they feel a little intimidating at first. The stories you collect will last a lifetime. Years from now, it's the people you'll remember most. Travel is about understanding, not just seeing. It's about building bridges and finding common ground. This is the hack that adds heart to your journey. It transforms a trip into a true adventure. Don't just visit. Belong. Even for a moment. Let yourself be part of the community, however briefly. That's the true essence of travel. It's about connection, empathy, and shared humanity. Try it, and your trips will never be the same. Go make real connections and watch your adventures come alive in ways you never imagined. That's it. 5 genius hacks to transform your next vacation into something truly unforgettable. Pack smart, use local apps, master currency, travel off-peak, and connect with locals for a richer experience. Put these into practice, and you'll travel better, deeper, and smarter than ever before. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and don't forget to support the channel. And share your own favorite travel hack in the comments below. Bonus tip coming in the next video: how to find unbelievably cheap flights. Stay safe, travel smart, and make unforgettable memories wherever you go. See you in the next one. Peace and happy travels.